Hello sisters, today we introduce you a dress. Ha! Middle-aged bag dress. This one is made of linen fabric. And there'll be 2 pockets on the side. Cross is knee level. And she's a round neck. And there's a button line here that's decorated and hands wide. And now let's start getting into the design part. This dress. The first step is to draw a line. I took that as the standard line to draw across the shoulder. According to the formula, shoulder level is equal to shoulder divided for 2. The shoulder measurement here is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16 taken over 16. Then lower your shoulders to 4. And then from here I measure the neck. It's divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6, so we get 6. Connect in. Then I'll take down the lower chest. Lower your chest here is a shirt for middle age. The part of your chest that you wear will be spacious, so my chest is divided by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is 18. Taking down a paragraph is 18. Make a perpendicular line. And then I'll take the chest piece. That's equal to chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. One paragraph is 22. Then we'll start at the shoulder line up here. I measured down. Is equal to 36. This is equal to lower waist. I will measure by the measure. Next up, I'll take the waist. Divide by 4 and divide by 2. That's 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. And from the outside, it's 18. I'll get it after the chest. Then the waist, now the lower buttocks. From this horizontal line, if I come here, I'll get 18. 18 for those of you who are my ass. 80 or less. 19 is 90 and below. 20 is ass over 100. Then I'll take it with my ass. Divide by 4 plus 180 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. Taking a paragraph is equal to 21. After I get the chest line, up my ass I will. Draw for the dress. I cut the length of the dress. My wish is for petrol. Then I draw the horizontal line. Here my sisters see it. We're going to paint the skirt. And then we build a perpendicular line down. Reverse 2 gasoline split in half. Split in 2. And we'll draw the armpit line. And the collar. Then from out here I'll back up to the gas bar. From this neck cross, step back, follow the road where there's gasoline. And I'll take 9 from behind her. I put a square ruler here. Then you hit it, hit it, hit it. If we come in here, we'll get the collar. And here I'm going to install a button that decorates the grain. Then the way. This is the seed in the middle. Then we go up a grain above the grain down. We'll have 6 seeds. button to decorate here. And my sisters, note that. For this model, I will give you my model according to the available measurement. In the case of my sisters, my shoulder is B2. Your shoulder will be 40. For example, you will replace the number 40. Or she is. My model is 30, but your neck B5. You're going to replace the number B5 here. Or the chest line. Here her breasts are 80. If your breasts are 100, change the number 100 here. It's the same for horizontal lines. For example, breasts. This is 100 instead. It's either 8, 5, or 90. If you have other numbers, you will replace them here. That same waist here, 6'4". If your waist is 78, I will change it here. Or waist 90 instead of here. Then the ass is the same. For example, 140 butt. We change 140 I'll draw this number again for the sample. And remember to note, for this lower butt, it's like I said before, an ass that's less than 80 is 18. Ass less than 90 is 19. If your ass is bigger than 100, you will lower it from top to bottom. 20. Once it's done, give the body a little bit. We'll draw the body back. From here, you're going up. It's 2 inches. I'll draw the armpit line from out here. This is 0.75. Then the chest line of the back body. It is smaller than a gasoline. So the rear body will back up into a gasoline. And then the buttocks of the back. It'll be bigger than your ass in front of a gas tank. So from here, go ladies, out and connect this alone. It's a gasoline. And we'll get the back body. Follow the red line. If you come here, you will custom cut for the neck piece. Here we'll get the collar. And now I'm going to cut Arabic. And you note that my Arabic model doesn't have a seam. You have to leave your seams up here when we cut on the fabric. So we put the paper box on. Let's leave the seams. Then cut it. Cut along the red line. I'll cut the back. And then after you cut it, the body before it and the body after it together. I put 2 layers of paper here, the body later. And then we're going to chop it down a centimeter. Cut it off. Throw out a centimeter of gas. I have a good luck with this model. So it's after that. This will be the back of the model. This dress body back. Let's stop later for a reason, because our model doesn't have a zipper. There was a lot of movement. Then we plant our heads. It's because the neck is already wide. Here are the sisters for one. And if you like it, it's a little tight. Then you can be. Softly chop a drop of water. Or you brush the zipper for a little while. It's okay up here. This is up to you. And I tattooed from the back. After doing the body, I'll go through the body first. You cut. And the ass of the back. It will be bigger. As body front is a gasoline in this place. So the body before this, you will cut to drop a gasoline. Follow the old road. This will be my front body. The previous body here will also be a double cloth. And this will be the front body. Sisters, if you want to cut the fabric in half, you just need to cut it. And this line you put parallel to overlap with the double fabric. You can cut the body first. And this will be the back. Now I will cut the sleeve by. I've measured the armpit ring on my body as 21. The weight on the back of my arm is 22. And now we're going to draw for the sleeve. If you wear the shirt here, you will take it as a chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is 13. I measured this as 13, and from top to bottom it's 13. I crossed a line. And then you're going to take a line of body before a line of body after. Add to previous body line. We will be 22. Add that to 2, we get 43. If I divide this 43 by 2, I will get 2 1.5, and you'll find 2.5 here. This is the number 2 and 1.5, and here you are, right up here. And this 0 first point to go up the curve. We line up a line and then we split it in two. We'll draw the body of the sleeve. And I'll take the long arm. My hand here is 27. Put the sleeves in. Come on, let me be a part. And this door, you'll get it from me. It's from 10, 14, up to 17 depending on. So, my friends, follow me. Body shape again. Then we're going to cut this. We will get what? This part of the body is done. We're going to get the sleeve, ladies. As for the front hand, I will go down. A gasoline. That's what we're going to get. This is going to be the front hand. This will be the back. Then I'll look again. All the details here, hands here. The following part. This will be the front. I just finished sharing this model with you. If you like this model, remember to comment, let me know. If you look at the sample, I've seen the design, but I can't figure it out yet. Comment on the request made tutorial. Enough 10 comments. I will show you how to cut. Sew this pattern directly on the fabric. Then, thank you. Hi. See you later. I wish you success.